WWE Women's Tag Team Champions, Alexa Bliss!
Oh, man. What a matchup this is going to be.
And certainly both women know each other very well. And let's talk about the last few weeks, which have actually led to Bayley and Nikki Cross both being barred from ringside during this match. I mean, tensions have been rising between Sasha Banks and, well, not everybody in the women's division, but that includes one half of the Women's Tag Team Champions, Alexa Bliss.
Have you ever noticed how Sasha Banks has that perpetual look on her face of